If you're coming to me to give your child a night guard, guess what? Not gonna give it. Because actually, what we need to do together is dig deep into the cause of the grinding. And really, I cannot stress this enough. Just giving a mouth guard will not let the grinding go. We have to look for root cause, and we have to open the airway, which is why there's grinding happening at the start. And we have to, together, go through a whole list of questionnaire to understand how can we do better for our child. Love your questions. Keep them coming. Thanks.